What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today, a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about a new way to identify music that's playing on your Galaxy phone or around your Galaxy phone. This is actually an update that we've been waiting for a while. Now there's actually two new features that have been added for this functionality on Galaxy devices. And we'll get into that today. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son, Jonathan. Gives us the Bobcat and the Triceratops in today's video. Always gives us some cool toys to hang out with us. We appreciate that. Also, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you check out our website. Go to sammyguru.com. We're covering the latest Samsung tips, tricks, news, tutorials, reviews, and opinions. We have a full writing staff over there, so it's not just me. A couple of writers. We're posting 10 to 15 articles a day, everything you need to know about Samsung Mobile and other Samsung tech as well. If you're in the US, you can also get in our mystery box program. If you're going to order the next Galaxy smartphone in early 2025, you get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies as well. Put in your phone number, put in your email, or put in both, and we'll send out the information on launch day. You don't have to pay any shipping or anything. We cover all of it. All you have to do is use our affiliate link to order on launch day from Samsung.com, and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and get into this today. You guys probably know that Google has the ability to identify songs using your Pixel phone. They've had this for a long time, going back to the Now Playing feature, which will actually show on the lock screen on a Pixel device. However, that functionality has not been really available in Samsung devices until more recently. As Samsung and Google have kind of partnered together with deeper integration, there have been a couple of ways that you can actually access this, and one of them is using Circle to Search. So this is the first one. This just started rolling out, a while ago, but I finally got it on my phone, so I figured I'd mention it in this video as well. If you tap, hold down the bar down here to get Circle to Search, tap on the music note, you can sing something like, "I want it that way." One of my favorite, Backstreet Boys songs, and it will try to identify. And you can see it does a pretty good job, even with my terrible singing of the Backstreet Boys. Now, I don't know why that's the first song that came to mind, but it was. Anyway, it's a really nice tool and an easy way to identify music. It works if you're playing a song on your device and listening over the speaker, or if there's music playing on another device, or like if you're in a public place and they're playing it over the PA system or a loudspeaker, whatever, it'll identify it and kind of search for you if you do it that way. But now there's another way that you can do this as well. And this rolled out via a recent app update to the Google app. So if you don't know, the Google app basically is responsible for a lot of the Google services. It's actually updated separately from the Google Play system update, which you have to get in the software information settings on your Galaxy phone. That kind of handles all the big stuff. But for smaller features and things they can roll out in real time, they do it via the Play Store. So I'm a member of the beta program for the Google app. I'll drop a link below. And you can sign up right down here, right, on the Google Play Store. I don't know if it's full, but it shouldn't be. You can go ahead and sign up here and you'll get the features first. The reason I mention this is because now there's a new way to identify songs using your quick settings. So if you go into the quick settings menu, there's a new quick setting option for song search, which will allow you to do the same thing that you can do with Circle to Search, music identification. So it's probably not going to be in your default one. So click on that little edit toggle, go to edit on the full toggles, and then down here, you can actually find it if you scroll through. Here it is right here, song search. You can just drag it up here, wherever you want to put it. And there, kind of tilted the phone. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and hit done, and then go back. And now it's going to be right there. So this rolled out first to the Pixel devices. I noticed it on my Pixel 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, my 9 Pro Fold, which should be the Pixel 2, but whatever. Now if you tap this, it's now going to let you play or hum a song. So I can sing again something like, "I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache." Anyway, you get the idea. Next time I'll choose a little more aggressive song choice, but I wanted to do the same one twice. You can see this one's actually interesting because this one actually gives you the percentage match for each song. I have no idea how this particular song matches all of these other songs because I sang it just like the Backstreet Boys, obviously. But you can see it's like 20% match. This shows you the ranking of like which song Google thinks it is and which one it most closely matches, which is actually better than the song search on Circle to Search because it just gives you basically search results in Google, but it basically gives you the top result only for the most part. You're not going to see these percentages down there. And then of course you can also, try again and do it. It has a really cool animation too, by the way. And I really like that. Now, one thing that you could do too is if you use One Hand Operation Plus, you can actually put your quick toggles and you can customize these. You could make it so that you just like drag down using One Hand Operation Plus and you have song search right there. And you could use the more detailed version, instead of doing this one, which is a little more limited inside Circle to search. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the new feature. You do have to go and get the update. I think for the beta version of the Google app is where this started rolling out. Not part of the Play System update, because this didn't come when I got the new Play System update. It came when I updated the new Google beta on the Play Store. Like I said, check out sammyguru.com if you guys want to get the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, etc. If you're in the US, make sure to sign up for the Mystery Box program. Get on those free accessories. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.